This is my chia seed breakfast bowl. It's a great way to start the day and can help to sustain energy throughout the morning. Particularly when it comes to menopause, chia seeds play a crucial role as they contain omega-3. So we're going to start off by adding the chia seeds to the bowl. Next up, we're going to add the milk to the bowl with the chia seeds. Milk is a really good source of calcium, which plays a crucial role in supporting bone health, particularly as you go through the menopause, where we can increase the risk of low bone mineral density. If, however, milk is not your first choice, then you can opt for a plant-based alternative, such as soya or any other alternative, but do make sure that it is fortified with calcium and vitamin D as a minimum. Next up, we're going to add your vanilla extract to the bowl. Now this adds a really nice natural sweetness and flavour without adding any more sugar. Chia seeds are also a great source of fibre, which plays a key role in supporting a healthy gut and can also help to reduce the risk of high cholesterol as well. So you want to give this a really good mix, and then you're going to add it to the fridge and leave it to set for around 15 minutes. So whilst your chia seeds are in the fridge, what we're going to do next is start with the berry compote. Now, berries are a really good source of polyphenols, which can help to support brain fog throughout the menopause. But do remember, you don't have to use fresh berries. You can use frozen berries as well. They can be kept in the freezer. They're a much more affordable alternative. And equally, you can change this up throughout the season. So you can use rhubarb and plums, for example. They would make a delicious compote as well. So we're going to go in with the berries. So our next step is to add the vanilla extract to the pan. Now, vanilla is a really great way to add a nice, delicious, natural sweetness to any recipe. So this is a great recipe that you can use throughout the winter months. You can add it to porridge, you can add it to yogurt as well, so have a delicious hearty breakfast in the morning. Our next step is to add the orange zest and juice to the pan. So we're going to take the zest of half an orange. Oranges are a really good source of vitamin C. So zest this in around half the orange. So now we're going to squeeze a little bit of orange into the pan. And again, this is another way to add some natural sweetness too. So mix that all together. You can see that the berries are really coming together nicely. They're going to be so warm and delicious, and the smell in here is just amazing at the moment. It's now time to combine our chia seed breakfast bowl. So we've taken the chia seeds out of the fridge. They've thickened up really nicely, so we've got a nice porridge-like consistency. We're going to add some of these to our bowl. Next up, we're going to add some yogurt. So we're using dairy yogurt, which is a great source of protein to help stabilize your energy levels and also to support bone and muscle mass as well. But if you're not a fan of dairy, as we said, you can use soy yogurt or any other alternative that you prefer. So we're gonna add this to the bowl, and then we're gonna go in with our compote. And then we're going to finish off with some honey. This is optional, you can leave this out or you can substitute it for maple syrup. And there you have your chia seed breakfast bowl.